In this video, we are going to take a look at some of the special features that simplifies the tedious processes of testing automotive displays, switches, buttons, and military and commercial aerospace light plates. This also includes integrated switch panels and multi-channel display units. We will use the Tru-Image TRU8 camera along with VideoWin software to perform 3-point averaging, pass-fail luminance, and color testing. Step 1 is to focus the camera on the device under test. Click on Focus Mode in the Camera Toolbar menu. Once the image appears, slowly focus the objective lens until sharp focus is achieved. When the focus looks good, exit out of focus mode by clicking on Stop Focus. After that, you will be prompted to enter the focus position. This value is found on the barrel of the lens. The white dot shown here is the focus reference point. Next to it is the focus position ring. Enter the value on the ring that aligns with the reference point. The next step is to go through the camera setup menu to make sure that all parameters for the next measurement are correct. Check to see that the correct objective lens is selected. If an ND filter is being used, also check that it is selected. In this case, no ND, that the optimized method is set up properly. Generally, it is best to leave Optimize for AOR off when measuring a sample for the first time, and that the correct color matrix correction file will be used. We want to make sure that we get the most accurate results from our measurements, so it's important to verify that the correct matrix color correction factors will be used. One of the major reasons for testing products is to see if they pass or fail. To set up custom pass-fail limits, click on CIE in the graph window, then Options, then Set Pass-Fail Regions. Do you want plus and minus tolerances to be the same value? Select this in the tolerance mode. Do you want to test average value of a shape, all of the points in a 3-point character average, or the average result of a 3-point character average? You can make this selection in the Check Mode section. Are you checking pass-fail information for luminance or color, or both? Check the appropriate boxes in the Check Type column. Once we've set the pass-fail parameters, we want to see the pass-fail status when we're done with the measurements. So, from the Data View window, first click on Options and then select Columns. From the list that appears, make sure the boxes for 3-point Lum, 3-point CIEX, and 3-point CIEY, or any subset of these three choices, and fails are checked, and then click on OK. We are now ready to capture an image. Click on the capture icon, and when the measurement cycle is complete, the image appears on screen. In this video example, we are going to concentrate on a single character. However, you can find all characters in an image simultaneously. Simply click on the Find Shapes icon without first drawing an AOR. Now that we have an image, let's select a character for a 3-point average. The first step is to draw a rectangular AOR around a character of interest. Let's say this C. Note the average luminance. Access the AOR legend by clicking on the legend icon. Now, zoom in on the AOR by using the Zoom tool in the Tools window. Now we are going to find a shape within the AOR, but before we do that, we need to check the Shapefinder settings. Click on View, Shapefinder Settings. The characters in the image in the upper right-hand corner of the dialog must appear fully formed. If not, adjust the threshold slider until it does. Now that that's done, we can use the Find Shape routine. Click on the Find Shapes icon in the Tools window. Note the average luminance of the shape. It is significantly higher than that of the standard AOR because it is disregarding the dark areas within the shape during the averaging process. For military applications, VideoWin has predefined templates that help accurately locate the 3 points within a character for the calculation of luminance average. Click on Tools, then Options, then Character Tagger. From the drop-down menu in the Source Template field, select the template adhered to the design of the product. We are now at the point of using the automatic 3-point averaging feature. First, Shape of Interest in the AOR legend. Click on Options, then Character Tagger, then click on the character in the found shape, in this case C, or simply type C on the computer keyboard. To make sure that the 3 spots are properly aligned, click on Options, Tag Checker. Now we'll take a look at a different icon and define the spots for a 3-point average. The process is the same, with the exception that no template exists for these icons. In this case, we will have to manually position the points in the image. To do this, when we are in the Character Set menu, click on a character that you want to represent the icon. Now double-click on PT1. In the Assign Point 1 dialog, place the crosshair on the desired location, and then click on Commit. Repeat for PT2 and PT3. Now take a look at the result in the data view for the 3-point averaging values and whether the part passes or fails. We've taken a look at how to do a 3-point average of a single character. This can be repeated for more characters or all characters in a given capture. It would save a lot of time if we didn't have to go through the previous process each time we wanted to do a 3-point average on one or more characters for like devices. So, simply save the AORs, shapes, and 3-point averages from this measurement by clicking Options, Save, AOR Collection. The next time you need them, click Options, Load, AOR Collection. Do you need to submit a report to your boss or customer after the work is done? Use the built-in report generator. Click on File, Report to access the report dialog. Fill in the information including part model and serial number, company name and logo, information about the test and tester, the pass or fail status, and graphs including the image with AORs. It can even include different graph views, such as a 3D luminance plot, or a 3D chromaticity delta and line profile. For more information on all photo research products, be sure to visit our website at photoresearch.com.